Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, I've got a treat for you guys. This is a sneak look at this brand new pair of trainers from Dewalt. Not out yet. Oh, look at these puppies. Okay. These are the Sarasota Pro Light trainers. So lovely beach resort, and that's probably why these are trainers and not boots. So looking at the label here, we've got an aluminium toe cap composite plate. Ooh, it looks really nice, doesn't it? These are going to go great with my Dewalt shorts in the summer. Okay, you ready? First look. So I'm not sure when these are going to be out, but wow, these look fantastic. Look at those. That's a nice and light as well, Pro Light. So this is running through with the theme of their Pro Light, Pro Stretch. Loving the look of these. Let's have a little delve in a little bit, get a little bit closer. I'll leave the other one in the boot box. We don't need that one at the moment. Okay, so you're going to get yourself a little card on there as well. Just going to tell you a little bit of information. So it says on there, we've got aluminium toe cap, non-metallic midsole, puncture resistant, oil resistant, outer sole there as well. Just a nice looking. So what we've got here is a combination of suede, the suede leather, the suede being the soft side of the leather, so rather than the smooth side, this is the inside, black, and the grey mesh detailing as well there. Yeah, I'm so wearing these. Great. We've got a rubber outer sole, non-clogging. So you can see there's a very shallow sole unit on that as well. So you're not going to be bringing in lots of mud into people's houses. This is not aimed at an industrial this is not aimed at someone that's going to be working on a building site. This is going to be somebody that's going to either be in somebody's houses, someone that's working maybe in logistics, warehousing, that sort of thing. So someone that's going to be on their feet all day wants something light, something that's breathable, something that's going to give them all day comfort and less fatigue. Then this is really going to be the trainers for you. I like the fact as well that it's not got too much flashing on the side, which means it will go well with a lot of uniforms. I've seen that can be a problem in the past when people bring out lots of different flashy colours and companies won't allow it to be worn with a uniform. But this being very discreet is going to work perfectly. So it's got the Pro Comfort footbed in there, which is a basic moisture breathable wicking. It's just going to expel all of the moisture away from your feet. You're not going to end up with wet feet at the end of the day. Another bonus that's aiding the anti-fatigue as well. We've got, what does it say here? Constructed with an aluminium toe cap. I've already mentioned that it's got a puncture resistant composite sole, which is stopping any penetration from any sharps through here, like nails, etc. as well. So not every job requires rugged work boots. Some require agility found in today's high performance athletic shoes. Pro Light shaves off the critical ounces of weight for those needing a light and nimble solution that's heavy on durability and protection. So what we've got here is all of the knowledge that has come together from Dewalt making fantastic footwear for years, and also utilising the new technologies that are out there for athletic footwear as well. So we've got, you know, all the lightweight, the breathability, the cushioning through here as well. So we've got this here is a rubber outer sole. We've got an EVA midsole in here, giving you the spring and flexibility. This is suede, like I've said. We've got lots and lots of padding through the tongue and the mesh as well. Again, drawing that moisture away and through the back of the heel there as well. So, and around the edges, so pulling all the moisture out. So beautiful looking pair of trainers. I should be getting into these pretty soon. Again, they've got the wrap up over the front there, which is stopping any issues, like if you're kicking pallets, if you're working in a warehouse, then that's going to stop or reduce any splitting between the upper and the sole unit underneath there. Looks like a little bit of reflective detailing across the back, but again, just showing off how well these are made and the time that's gone into them is when you look at things like the stitching, making sure they're parallel all the way through and intact and finished properly as well. No little bits of cotton or thread just left. Everything is just well constructed, very well constructed. It looks great. So if you want to get your hands on a pair of these, you're going to need to keep posted, keep checking with your local distributors. I'll put a link in the description underneath there of how to find your local distributor for Dewalt. And yeah, thanks again to the guys from Dewalt for sending me this cracking pair of trainers. And I'll be putting these through my paces as a spark, and we'll bring them back and report on how they're performing, maybe in say a month or two's time. So thank you very much to the guys from Dewalt. Very pleased with those new trainers, getting a sneak peek before they're released on the market. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you like my videos. It really helps me create content. This was the unboxing of the Sarasota Pro Light Safety Trainer. For more great reviews, blogs and free stuff, visit askady.com. To subscribe to our YouTube channel, click here, and for more videos, click here.